Today, we celebrate a voice from the darkness. Voyager 1 is speaking to us again. Against all odds, a tiny spacecraft, launched decades ago, has reached out across the void. After months of silence, humanity's most distant emissary has reconnected. The tension and hope in mission control were palpable as the first signals returned. Voyager 1 is over 15 billion miles away. Light takes more than 22 hours to reach us from there. Every message is a whisper from the edge of our solar system, a testament to the vastness of space. For 5 long months its data was gibberish, a stream of static and confusion that left scientists searching for answers. We feared it was lost. The silence was heavy, a reminder of how fragile our connection is to this distant traveler. But NASA's engineers sent a digital poke across the cosmos, and it worked. Their determination and creativity bridged the unimaginable distance. The return of coherent data is more than a technical fix. It's a testament to human ingenuity, teamwork, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 carries our hopes, dreams, and music on a golden record, a time capsule for any who might find it. It's a piece of humanity, sailing through the interstellar ocean, carrying greetings in dozens of languages and the sounds of our world. Losing contact felt like losing a friend. Its return is a rekindling of hope. The relief and joy in the control room echoed around the world. Voyager 1 was built with 1970s technology, less power than your smartphone, yet it survived the harshest conditions, a marvel of engineering and resilience. It continues to explore the interstellar medium, farther than any human-made object, sending back data that expands our understanding of the universe. Its journey is our journey, a symbol of our desire to explore, to connect, and to reach for the unknown, no matter the distance. Even across billions of miles, a connection can endure. Voyager 1 proves that curiosity and perseverance can bridge even the greatest divides. Voyager 1 reminds us, the cosmos is vast, but our curiosity is boundless. As long as we keep listening, who knows what wonders we'll discover next. The Voyager story began with a rare planetary alignment, an opportunity that comes once every 176 years. In 1977, we launched 2 probes, Voyager 2 first, then Voyager 1 on a faster path. Their mission to use gravity assists to visit Jupiter, Saturn, and beyond. Before Voyager, the outer planets were just distant points of light. The probes carried cameras, spectrometers, and magnetometers, our first close-up eyes on these worlds. The technology was a gamble, but the Voyagers exceeded all expectations. They didn't just complete their mission, they kept going, transforming our understanding of the solar system. The Grand Tour was more than a journey of planets, it was a journey of discovery. Voyager turned distant worlds into real places, forever changing our cosmic perspective. In 1979, the twin Voyager spacecraft arrived at Jupiter, embarking on a journey that would forever change our understanding of the outer solar system. As their cameras and instruments captured the giant planet, they revealed a world of chaos and beauty, more complex than anyone had imagined. Jupiter's atmosphere was a swirling canvas of storms and lightning, with the iconic Great Red Spot raging for centuries, and faint rings we never suspected encircling the planet. But the biggest shock came from Io, a moon alive with volcanoes, more geologically active than any place in the solar system, its surface constantly reshaped by eruptions. Jupiter's immense gravity squeezes Io, generating intense heat deep within, fueling these spectacular volcanic eruptions and creating a world in perpetual turmoil. For the first time, we saw gravity not just as a force guiding orbits, but as a powerful engine of geological change, shaping worlds in unexpected ways. Europa, another of Jupiter's moons, was a world of ice. Its smooth, cracked surface hinted at a vast, hidden ocean beneath, kept liquid by tidal forces. Water is the key to life as we know it, making Europa a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life and sparking dreams of what might exist in its dark ocean. The Voyagers left Jupiter having rewritten everything we knew about the gas giant and its moons, opening our eyes to the wonders and mysteries of the outer planets. They showed us that even the smallest worlds, tiny moons and distant bodies, can be full of surprises, each with its own story to tell. The outer solar system was far more dynamic, diverse, and alive than we ever imagined, challenging our assumptions and inspiring new questions. These discoveries fueled new questions and new missions, driving scientists to design even more ambitious explorations of the worlds beyond. The journey had only just begun as Voyager sailed onward into the unknown, carrying our curiosity to the very edge of the solar system and beyond. Next stop: Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. The Voyagers revealed Saturn's rings as thousands of ringlets, dynamic, intricate, and alive with motion. They discovered mysterious spokes, shepherd moons, and braids in the rings. Saturn's moons were just as fascinating mimas, with its giant crater, Enceladus gleaming with fresh ice, but the main target was Titan, shrouded in a thick orange atmosphere richer than Earth's. Titan's surface was hidden, but its methane-rich air hinted at lakes and rain. Voyager 1's flyby of Titan sent it out of the solar system's plane, ending its planetary tour. Saturn's system was more complex and beautiful than we'd ever imagined. The Voyagers turned distant mysteries into new frontiers. With Voyager 1 heading for the stars, Voyager 2 pressed on, alone. Uranus, reached in 1986, was a pale tilted enigma with a bizarre, off-center magnetic field. Voyager 2 found new moons, faint rings, and Miranda, a moon stitched from mismatched terrains. In 1989, Neptune stunned us. Deep blue, with the fastest winds in the solar system and a massive storm, the Great Dark Spot. Neptune's rings were clumpy arcs, not full circles. Its moon Triton orbited backward and erupted with nitrogen geysers, evidence of a captured, active world. Voyager 2's discoveries at Uranus and Neptune were a spectacular finale to the grand tour. The outer planets were stranger and more dynamic than we'd ever dreamed. The mission ended with a flourish at the very edge of the known solar system. Voyager's legacy: the unknown is always more wondrous than we expect. Each Voyager carries a golden record, a message to the cosmos. Conceived by Carl Sagan, it's a time capsule of Earth in the late 20th century. The record holds 115 images, our DNA, cities, people, and life on Earth. It includes sounds of nature, greetings in 55 languages, and a message from the UN Secretary General. Most moving of all, 90 minutes of music from around the world: Bach, Beethoven, Chuck Berry, and more. The record is unlikely to be found, but that's not the point. It's a symbol of hope, a declaration that we exist and have something beautiful to share. The golden record is humanity's greeting card to the universe. It says, "This is us. This is our home." Even in the vastness of space, we reach out in friendship. After their planetary encounters, the Voyagers set out for the edge of the solar system, the heliopause. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed into interstellar space, the first human-made object to do so. It detected a surge in cosmic rays and a shift in the magnetic field, clear signs it had left the sun's influence. In 2018, Voyager 2 followed, its instruments confirming the findings and revealing a surprisingly smooth boundary. Both probes found a cosmic traffic jam, where the solar wind piles up before the edge. The Voyagers showed us the solar system's boundary is a dynamic, complex frontier. Now, they are our only direct observers in interstellar space. They sample the winds, fields, and cosmic rays of our galactic neighborhood. The Voyagers are true pioneers, charting the unknown waters of the cosmic ocean. Their journey beyond the sun is a triumph of exploration. Today, Voyager 1 and 2 continue their lonely journey, our furthest outposts in the galaxy, drifting farther from home with every passing second. Launched in 1977, these twin spacecraft have traveled billions of miles, venturing into the unknown, carrying with them the hopes and dreams of humanity. Their power is fading. Instruments are shutting down one by one. Each year their voices grow fainter as the energy that once fueled their discoveries slowly ebbs away. Soon the last of their scientific instruments will fall silent, ending an era of exploration. By 2030 their voices will likely fall silent. The faint radio whispers that have traveled across the void for decades will finally cease, leaving only silence where once there was discovery. But their journey won't end. They'll drift through the Milky Way for millions of years, silent travelers on an endless voyage, untouched by time or distance. Voyager 1 will pass near another star in 40,000 years. Long after Earth has changed beyond recognition, it will still be moving forward, a tiny messenger from a distant past. Voyager 2, in a similar time, will also approach a distant star, continuing its silent journey through the galaxy, carrying our story with it. They carry our legacy, monuments to curiosity and the urge to explore. The golden records aboard each probe hold the sounds and images of Earth, a time capsule for any who might one day find them. The universe is full of mysteries, from Europa's hidden oceans to the edge of interstellar space, where Voyager now sails. Each discovery leads to new questions, fueling our desire to know more. Voyager's story is a call to keep exploring, to never lose our sense of wonder. Their journey inspires us to look beyond our world, to reach for the stars, and to dream of what lies beyond. Look up at the night sky. Our silent ambassadors are still out there, sailing on, carrying a piece of us into the vast unknown, reminding us that we are never truly alone in the cosmos. Their journey reminds us we are part of a much larger cosmic story, one that began long before us and will continue long after we are gone. The cosmos is vast, but so is our imagination. Stay curious. The adventure continues, and as long as we keep exploring, the story of Voyager and of humanity will never truly end.